What's up? It's your boy Super Skater 72797 here with a new pickup from Adidas. This is the Adidas Hillsdale. My friend Connor let me borrow it. It's Connor holding the camera.
That's me, Isaac Crackhead over here.
Yeah, that's Isaac Crackhead.
Crackhead.
So I've been looking for these for a while. So basically, what it is a very unique high top. It's got some nice patented leather on the sides with breathing holes for extra support and breathing. You have kind of like a short, like styrofoam feeling for the back. Okay, that was cool. You have regular cotton laces, kind of like fake Supras would. Really, really padded, nice leathering, leather on the outside and
Sorry
on
for the
toe.
sweat.
And it's the one-part toe cap. You also have double stitching on the sides, on all parts, to make sure that you are in for a nice comfort fit. The bottom is just like the regular Adidas, but it's like attached, so I can't really show you. Bottom is kind of a skateboarding shoe, but I wouldn't recommend it, mostly because it's an awesome shoe and I'd hate to see it get messed up. Let's see. Here's the tag. It's on this hung. He is size 11, so that's what he has.
I'm actually a 12. Whatever.
Okay.
They run a size big.
Yeah, he has a
Like
red
I'm a
extra stripe
I'm a
going all
12,
here.
but
You have a box toe cap here, and it's pretty flexible. And you also have that back support. What is that for, Connor?
style.
Style.
Running, too.
Okay.
Running,
And now
The last thing you want to do is
yeah,
run.
and now I'm gonna do a 360 view, really quick.
Oh, snake your feet.
Oh, words could not describe how much I want to kill you right now.
Oh my God.
That is my shoe. That is my other shoe. He took it off my foot.
Yeah. So these are the Adidas Hillsdales.
All right, take them off before I kill you.
Oh, and you also, I forgot one thing,
Uh-huh.
which is pretty obvious though. You also got a huge Adidas Originals logo across the top here.
Yeah, just never
the
forget the
back.
poison ivy sign.
What? It doesn't look like poison ivy. It looks more like weed.
Leaves have 3, let them.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
It's-
Well, these are the Adidas Hillsdales. Make sure to go pick them up.
Discontinued.
Yeah, they're actually discontinued. But if you can find them, that's good. Just type in Adidas Hillsdale and make sure to get them. Woo!